Hello out there in YouTube land. We've got another collection we're going to open up and check out. This is the Hot Wheels Car Culture World Tour Pack. There are the cars that are in it. Let's check them out. All right, here we go. Number one car up. It is Turin, and it's the Alfa Romeo GT V6. Let's get him up here and see what it looks like. All right, let's get this thing cracked open. And of course, you've seen the card art there. Always cool card art. Hope everybody's doing well here in the middle part of December. Freezing cold here. I know some people's got a lot colder, but it's like 10 degrees and we're about noon here. There it is, the Alfa Romeo. You got the GTV 360 right on the plate. The tampos. You got any kind of interior detailing? Looks like a little bit. Keep that glare off if we can. Nice red. Got the logos there. There's what she looks like up front. Hot Wheels, of course, premium metal on metal. And we look like we're copyright dated 2022. Nice little car. I like the wheel style on it. Yeah, yes. World Tour, Alfa Romeo. What you think about that one? She's rolling a little slow there. Our next one up, it is the Toyota, and it is the 82 Supra on that World Tour, going over toward Japan, checking out the Toyota entry. And let's just get her out the package. Lots of Supra lovers out there. This is early Supra. RSR. Do like the way they did the wheels on that one. It's got that one eyeball open with the little red on top. There she is on the back. The Toyota Supra. Pretty sharp little car. Some louvers there. The louvers are part of that glass. Well, yeah. The louvers are part of the glass. Still pretty neat though. Do like the way it looks. Nice stripe there on the top. And of course our underneath. We got a copyright on it. Yes, 2023. It's not as old as some of them. Let's put the little guys up here on the top. We'll grab the Mustang down and let the Toyota spin there for a minute. This World Tour set, there was a lot of peg warmers. Of course, that Supra was gone almost immediately. There is the Volkswagen Golf MK7. I looked for this set when it first came out. And, of course, the Supra, and I forget which other one. There was another one. Might have been that Alfa. So many peg warmers. But I could never get the whole set. Finally did. Bide my time. That's what I would suggest. If you guys want a full set, don't pay the exorbitant amount of money that some people pay, because they go and get all of the what they're going to think is going to be the hot ones. They want crazy money for. I bided my time, and once it was low enough that I figured I'd go ahead and buy, I bought it. Was able to get the whole set. That's the little cool MK7. I think that was what that says. So here we go. We'll find out for sure here on the bottom. So it is the Golf MK7, copyrighted for 2015. So that little guy's been out for a while. I do like the paint. It's got like a pearl in it. Pretty sweet. Let me know what you think. Yes, and remember, click that like, share, and subscribe. We always need tell and recommend that. The likes do helps us get out to more and more people. Still growing the channel, you know. All right, here we go. This is another Volkswagen. This is the Volkswagen Brasilia. So this one, Brazil, I guess, is where this one's from. Nice little wagon. I do like the wagons. Just a clean, nice little car. 4-spoke, not a lot of craziness to it. There you go in the front. You can see the pixelation. That's early, because this set came out a few years ago, and pixelation was good. Okay, there you have the license plate. Culo, I'm not sure what that is. Let's check our bottom out. And it was copyright 2010. Is that what that? That's what it looks like, 2010. That's been out quite a while. I don't remember seeing it before. It might have been popular in the main lines, possibly, but let me know if you know. Leave your comments. Tell me what you think of this set so far. And here we go. The Audi. Ingolstadt. I don't know. Alright, let's get this cracked off of here. Well, let's check a copyright date on the package, because I'm pretty sure. Yep, well, it says 2024. Seems like it's older than that, but maybe early 2024. It would have been. The Audi. Yeah, nice clean silver. Got them Audi rings there. Looks like reflective mirrors. Just a clean, nice car. Do like the 5 spokes. There's your front end. Got my greasy fingers on the windshield. Sunroof. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Just a simple, little, clean car. And copyright on this one, 2020. So very, very nice. Big Elvis Diecast review here with you. Checking out that set. Tell me what you think. We'll get us Alright, there is the 5-car world tour set. Let me know what you think about it. How do you feel about it? Leave it in the comment below. Appreciate you tuning in. Big Elvis. Take care of each other out there.